The bomber jacket, a men's style essential that every, not some, not most, every guy needs in his wardrobe because they're smooth, they're clean, they're casual, and they are, most importantly, super badass. Today, gentlemen, I'm going over some bomber do's and don'ts to make sure that you are always looking stylish and sexy, rocking that badass bomber. And real quick, guys, before we get into this video, if you like this bomber or this bomber or this bomber or this bomber, you can hit that link down below and grab them. It is my bomber, or I should say Thursday Boot Alpha M collaboration bomber. No, seriously. The Alpha M bomber and Thursday Boot collaboration. Are you kidding me? I'm not kidding you. So here's the deal. Limited run, limited edition, but Thursday Boots came to me and they're like, hey, we know that you love bomber jackets. What would you think about designing your perfect bomber? Yes, 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 1,000 times. Yes, I would love to create my own bomber. So that's what we did. It's taken a year. All right, this bomber's been a year in development, but it is absolutely perfect. We went through a bunch of different designs. I eliminated that standard front zipper because honestly, that front zipper makes it a bit more casual. I also did a few other things and modifications to make it flawless, all right? Instead of a diagonal pocket up here in the chest, typically what happens is it gets super bulky on that one side. And so I put 2 pockets inside down here. And then on the pocket, can you see it? The M. Are you kidding me? Anyway, guys, this jacket is absolute perfection, and I've got a special link down below. Look at the fit, right? Nice and slim. You got 2 pockets there. It is the perfect bomber. Seriously, these things are so sick. Guys, not only do they look amazing, the fabric and the quality is next level. It's 6.5 ounce organic cotton, which is the best you can find. If you guys know anything about cotton, you know that is premium stuff. We also have used ribbed elastic cotton cuffs, collars, and waistbands, and the fit is flawless. Guys, hit the link down below if you want to check out any of the Alpha M Thursday Boot collab bombers. These things are perfect. My personal pick for the best bomber in the universe. Guys, hit the link down below. We've got a limited number, limited run. Supplies are very limited. The colors are all personally selected by me. They are clean, they are crisp, they are sexy, and they are super badass. Guys, do not wait. These bombers are gonna fly, and they are absolute perfection. But there are a lot of bombers that aren't. And so now let's go over some bomber wear and do's and don'ts to make sure that you always look badass. So the first rule to rock a bomber properly is know that it's a casual jacket. It is impossible to dress up a bomber, even if the bomber's leather and super shiny. In my opinion, the bomber always looks best dressed down, paired with a perfect pair of denim, maybe some badass boots or sneakers, a t-shirt, a Henley, or a hoodie underneath, and you are crushing it, all right? The other thing you gotta understand is that all bombers were not created equal in terms of style. They come in a lot of different fabrics, everything from nylon to suede to leather, to lycra, to cotton. Typically with the bomber, you're gonna have a few different styling options, all right? You're gonna have a plain front, like the one that I designed, all right? No zippers anywhere, no extra pockets or patches, but a lot of bombers you're gonna find are gonna have this. It's a single chest pocket zipper. I think this is a great look. I think that it's fine, but it is definitely more casual. The other option that you're gonna see a lot is the sleeve detail, right? Check out this bomber. This bomber has the sleeve zipper. It's got another place and pocket for something, I believe pens, but it's all military inspired. That is the reason why a lot of times you're gonna see bombers with a little bit of extra shit or bling on the body or the sleeve of the jacket. But since we're talking about fabrics, the next rule we just gotta talk about is fake leather. Don't ever wear fake leather, period. Whether or not it's shoes or boots or jackets or bombers, fake leather looks cheap. It also doesn't cost that much less, and it looks terrible. The beautiful thing with real leather, guys, is that as you wear it, it patinas, it ages, it breaks in, and it looks a lot better. Fake plastic just rips, and it looks cheap, all right? The other reality is that there are way too many other badass fabric options when it comes to bombers. Bombers, in my opinion, have the biggest versatility in terms of fabric options. Which brings us to color and pattern. Don't wear a bomber that has a big pattern, period. Any pattern, in my opinion. The classic solid color is the way to go. Now, in terms of colors, Once again, I personally feel like the muted, softer earth tones are going to be a lot better. Something that's really loud and bright and obnoxious, in my opinion, really has a tendency to kill the overall aesthetic and look. Wearing a solid color in some type of muted, soft earth tone is the way to go to look and maximize your aesthetic. Whether or not it's a green, like a forest green, amazing. The gray, one of my personal favorites. Black, incredible. Or a brown or a tan, also amazing. Don't wear a jacket that's too tight, all right? If you zip it up and it literally makes you look like a sausage, you gotta size up, all right? Or if you put that jacket on and it's big and it's baggy, you may need to actually size down. When you zip up that bomber, guys, you wanna make sure that it's not skin tight, but it's not super big and baggy, all right? Check out the fit. It's nice and tailored without being ultra tight. Now, this brings me to the next don't. Don't pack your pockets with a bunch of crap. If you're packing your pockets with a lot of shit, gentlemen, it's gonna make you look rounder and more bubbly and baggy. And that's one of the things you want to avoid when rocking a bomber. Next up, gentlemen, let's talk about how to wear it. All right, now, one of the reasons why I love a bomber jacket so much is that it's comfortable to wear all day long, even inside. And so for me, one of my go-to looks always is a simple t-shirt underneath of a bomber jacket, right? It works incredibly well in the fall, but also in the winter. If you're living in a place that isn't like super cold, just throw on your favorite t-shirt, boom, a bomber jacket over top, and you're good to go. The other thing that I love about a bomber when it comes to the collar is that you can easily wear a scarf over top of it. One of the problems with wearing a jacket that has any type of collar is the scarf. I'm a big scarf wearer. I think that it's a stylish way to stay warm in the cooler months, all right? A bomber jacket, you can simply wear the scarf any way you want, and it's not gonna get hung up with the collar, right? Like a denim jacket I love, but the collar does make it a little bit awkward to wear a great scarf. Personally, I am not a huge fan of wearing a button-up underneath of a bomber jacket. I just don't think the aesthetic works as well as something with a non-button front. I also don't really love polos. Personally, I am not a fan of wearing a polo underneath of a bomber. There are a lot of other jackets that are amazing with polos, like sport coats or suit jackets or underneath of a sweater, but a bomber jacket, it's just got that like rugged je ne sais quoi that a polo kind of F's up. The 3-button Henley is one of my favorite layering options in terms of underneath of a bomber jacket. All right, it's masculine, and the thing that I love so much about it is the bomber jacket in and of itself has a more rounded shape, right? Up by the collar, it's more rounded. By doing something like a V-neck or some type of shirt that has a little bit of an opening, it's actually contrasting the roundness of the collar. The turtleneck, all right? So this one is definitely a little bit more like fashion forward, and I know some of you are like, yo, Alpha, I'm not feeling the turtleneck, but I'm telling you, turtlenecks are incredible. It's a lightweight turtleneck, something with like a merino wool fabric. It's not gonna be too big, too bulky. It's perfect for wearing or layering underneath of a sport coat or suit to elevate the aesthetic, but it also works incredibly well underneath of a badass bomber. Favorite. This is one of my favorite looks and ways to wear a bomber jacket. You got the hoodie underneath of a bomber. It just works. Simple pair of denim, simple pair of boots or sneakers, you're killing it. But you could also elevate this aesthetic a little bit. A pair of chinos or cotton pants, you could go corduroy, or you could even do some type of sweatpant or jogger, and it would still look amazing. And the other thing is that it's age appropriate. And that's the thing. A bomber jacket is age appropriate whether or not you're 18 or you're 85. As long as you're not going too over the top with the extra styling or bling, it works. It works incredibly well regardless of the age you are. The other thing that I love about the bomber is that it makes you look tall. Regardless of if you're short or you're tall, it basically is perfect because it sits on your natural waist with a little cinch there, as opposed to a lot of jackets that come down a little bit too far, covering the crotch. They are perfect in terms of proportion. Guys, bottom line is this. Bomber jackets are something that I feel every single guy needs in his wardrobe. They just add that little bit of flair and extra sexiness to your wardrobe, because any guy can wear great jeans, great shirt, great shoes, great sneakers, but it's the outerwear. It's those little extra subtle details that really make a big difference. Guys, if you want to check out any of the Alpha bombers or grab one for yourself before they sell out, I've got that special link down below. I am so incredibly honored that Thursday, a company that I love and respect more than any other company, honestly, because of the quality, the craftsmanship, and the fair pricing that they've been offering for years, I am so honored that they would let me design my perfect bomber. Guys, Thursday Boots, incredible company. The Alpha Bomber, the best bomber in the business. If you want to check one out or grab one before they sell out, hit the link. Don't wait. These bombers are badass, and so are you.